complain or two about my head not being in the shots ever, but what the fuck do you want? It's not about my head. So I guess I need to test shots from now on to see if I'm in the frame. I wasn't in the frame. Okay. So today we're going about 50 miles into Illinois to a guy. That's the reason that nothing is in the junkyards around here, because I've tried all the junkyards. There was one 6th generation truck. It had a 90-something bed on it, so it was worthless to me. But generally, they're just not anywhere around here. And then I found a guy on Craigslist who has all of it there. So we're gonna go over there and hopefully get the body panels we need, maybe the new bed and some other stuff. But that means we're gonna have to have this whole area cleaned up to do it. So right now what I'm gonna try to do is kind of disassemble this clip enough to get it moved somewhere. And like this fender apron is rusted and cut up. I don't know why. This fender over here is pretty trash. So this whole side just needs to come off anyway, because it's gonna go to the scrap yard. And then I'll probably just take apart that piece too, just to have it to where I can put it in the shed, get it the hell out of here. But I guess you can watch me struggle with this if you want. Half-inch, but it doesn't fit as good. 13's perfect. Why is everything 13 millimeter?
I lived it, I wrecked it. I gave up on my hope, gave you all I know. I knew it, I blew it. I gave up on my hope, gave you all I know. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes that's the one made me leave you all behind. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes that's the one made me leave you all behind. Made me leave you all behind. I don't regret it, we never made it. I gave up on my hope, gave you all I know. I knew it, I knew it. I gave up on my hope, gave you all I know. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes that's the one made me leave you all behind. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes that's the one made me leave you all behind. I left it, I wrecked it. I gave up on my hope, gave you all I know. I knew it, I blew it. I gave up on my hope, gave you all I know. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes that's the one made me leave you all behind. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes made me wrong. My mistakes that's the one made me leave you all behind. You're not paranoid, it's just they're all out to get you. You're not scared to look, it's just sometimes you're afraid of what they might do. You're not really broken, but you're beyond repair.
That's an expensive motorcycle right there under that tarp.
You know you can't be there. But you're not a sadist. You just wanna understand. They're never, they're not like you.
rusty shit. Hey Navy friends, remember these? I almost forgot. Here it is. Piece of crap fender. Going away forever. Trashed inside and out. Dirty, gross, rusty, Bondo. Piece of shit. Okay, whoa, slipped in some oil. Okay, that all got kind of cut short abruptly because I had to go 50 miles in Illinois to go look at the guy's pile of parts. And I got some good stuff. Didn't get a bed. Looks like we're gonna have to just make do with my bed and modify it in some way that is acceptable. But did get some good stuff that I needed, so let's take a look. Okay, so I got these headlight things because mine have this stuff busted off. One of these has some cracks in it that can be glued, but I got the pair of those. I'm gonna paint those black and stick it up in the grill. So that was cool. The guy, my passenger side fender up front was trashed. This guy had a couple pairs. This was the best pair, but he wouldn't come off of them individually. So I had to buy the pair. But the one that I needed is perfect. The other one is okay, but I also have it laying around now as like a patch panel source for if I need to fix something on my other one. And this is the clip that I was taking apart, so the one that I took off, that's what that'll replace. And I also got the inner fender apron here. This is the part that, there's the battery tray, the part that goes inside. Mine was all cut up I guess people cut them up quite a bit to get headers in there or whatever, but since mine didn't have headers, I don't know what the excuse was, but it was also pretty horrible. So I got this. This is like a $100 piece, you know, whenever you buy the new remake ones. And I got a new dash bezel that is relatively unmolested in the radio area. Most of them have it all chopped out where somebody wanted to put a cheap Walmart CD player in the 90s. And I would love to put one of those retro style stereos in mine with the knobs where they should be and everything. Anyway, could have come off better, you know, for the kind of trip that it was, but could have done worse. Could have come back with nothing. And I'm happy with the I know where I'm at on the body now. So we're gonna make the bed work, because the beds the guy had were no better than mine. Mine's actually kind of nicer on the outside. We've got some stuff to do on the cab, but other than that, I've got the things I need for the body, and I didn't lose an arm and a leg, so that's completely acceptable. Tomorrow I've just gotta re-clean the garage out, because I never get fucking tired of doing that. I mean, that's kind of what this is all about. I mean, I'll have a cool truck in the end, that's awesome, but at least I got to clean the garage and the fucking driveway 900 times. That's the real reason I'm here.